Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're seeing this video, you're about to see me cut my wonderful fenders and quarter panels. It is saddening that I'm about to do this, but it has to be done. So as you can tell, I already put down some masking tape right here. I got the line already traced out, approximately where I'm going to cut it. Tape down, I got the line masked up. You motherfucker, bitch. Piece of shit. Up next, I'm going to start cutting. After I roughly cut this up, I'm going to grab my fenders, get them mocked up, which as you can tell, I already cut the holes. So all I got to do is just mock this up to where it sits perfectly. I'm going to measure 7 times before I cut it. And then I'm gonna put some dots right here in the fender, drill them, and then put my rubber rivets in, and then bolt this up and see how it fits. Also, check out the wheels for the rabbit.
Nice.
Got them all refinished, got them all looking nice. Got some rubber on them. So sometime this week I'll probably have the rabbit running with these wheels, and then after that I gotta get in alignment. After that, exhaust, wrap, and then some other small little things. So, yeah.
Keep on sipping.
Well, it actually wasn't too bad. Now that I look at it, I might have to trim this up right here just a little bit to kind of open it up right here, and maybe possibly trim this up as well. I'm going to take the wide body kit and mock it up, see if it fits pretty flush right here. We'll go from there. But after that, I'm probably going to take my angle grinder and then angle grind the actual cut to make it like nice and smooth. And I think that's pretty much it. The next thing would be to drill holes and put the wide body on. Simple as that. So after all the cutting and trimming, this is pretty much the end result for the front fender. I'm personally pretty happy with it. There's a few things that I'm not happy about, but I'll know for next time. Let's take a look underneath. I got plenty of space back there now to fit my stupid wide wheels. So all I gotta do now is just do the other side, get that mounted up, and then next up, it's gonna be the quarter panel, which that's gonna be the fun one because in this one, I'm gonna have to cut quite a bit of metal to actually make this work. Hello guys, this is day 2. So in day 2, I am doing the quarter panels. I went ahead and did the other side already just so I can get some experience before showing you how I'm doing this side, but it actually wasn't too bad, so let's get started. But before I get started on the quarter panel, I'm going to show you how the front fenders turned out and how the other quarter panel turned out. So let's get it. So this is the front fender. Not too bad. And this is the other side. I do have some very slight fitment issues, but I'll fix that later. For an example, there's a little gap right here that I'm not a big fan of, and there's not one on the other side. And there's a quarter panel. Also not too bad. I'm probably going to do a better job on the other side since this is my first time. But not too bad. There are my VSX9s. Honestly, I could have went with a much aggressive spec than what I did. I think these are like 12.5, I think. I can't exactly remember. I probably could have went with like 13 or 14 wide if I really wanted to, which I should have. So the goal for today is to get this cut up, get it hammered, and then get the wide body on, and then the side skirts possibly today as well if I have some time before work. And then the next episode will probably include the car getting welded up, getting some small rust spots fixed, and then the video after that will probably be me either getting it painted or getting a racing livery installed.
Keep on sipping.
The earth was without form and void, and darkness upon the face of the deep.
I've decided to go ahead and actually cut these off completely, and instead of just getting these tack welded right here and then getting sealed on the bottom and painted, which is a little ghetto, and I want to do things more properly since this is going to be like a show car, race car, show car type thing. So I'm going to go ahead and cut everything off on the bottom right here, chop all these off. And I'm going to have these gaps right here all filled in with a nice sheet of metal that's going to cover the whole entire wheel well area. And I'm going to seal it up, paint it to make sure it doesn't rust. So that's pretty much today's goal. So let's get to it. So I got this one bolted up just how I wanted. There's some things I need to trim, like the side right here, so it actually lays more flush. And before I start this one, I'm probably going to go ahead and start chopping these off. So once I chop these off, I can actually just go ahead and put the wide body on and keep it on without having to take it off. So once I do this part, chop these off, I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I'll just have to take off the wide body. And once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and attach the side skirts and attach these to the actual panels, and hopefully by then the car will be on the ground in a couple hours. Well, there it is, guys. We were pretty close to actually finishing the wide body. The few things that are left are the side skirts right there. You're gonna have to still bolt down the plastic bits to the trim. That's still kind of hanging loose. But other than that, it looks fucking fantastic, and I'm beyond happy with this. So as far as this video of me installing the wide body, I am pretty much finished. After this, I'm going to have to get the quarter panels welded, sealed up, painted. That's going to be in a separate video. And I'm also going to have to get some rust holes fixed up, do a little bit of body work to get the car all nice and clean. And then the third video is going to be the update of what I'm going to do with the wide body, either get it painted or get a custom livery made for the whole entire car. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.